Investing is the key to building wealth. There is no way around it. Investing can give you the freedom that just working a job and saving your money can't. Okay? When you invest your money, you make your money go to work for you. The more money you have working for you, the more freedom you can potentially have in the future. So with that being said, I want to put you guys on to this great investment opportunity that I ran across in my, usual manner. But before I do that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
My name is Devon Puddingwork Burke, the wealth builder himself, for the wealthbuilderswithaz.com. And if you love content like this and talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like the video. Okay? I have a question for you. Do you drive a car? And in that car, does it have an engine? The majority are going to answer the question with a big yes. Have you ever thought about the engine and why it's still so big? Like, couldn't we make the engine on a car smaller and more compact? Right? Well, this company, Liquidpiston, is out to change all that with their new invention called the X engine. Okay? The patented X engine solves the problems of the rotary engine without sacrificing the benefits. All right? It's simple, having only 2 moving parts, has practically 0 vibration, is extremely compact and lightweight, and can run on heavy fuel, gasoline, and even gaseous fuels like propane and hydrogen. This new technology looks like it will change the way we drive and what we drive in the near future. Now, the investment opportunity is fairly straightforward. It's a common stock offering at $10 a stock. The minimum investment is $1,000. Okay? Keep that in mind. Now, if you have $1,000 to invest, then this seems to be a great opportunity to get on the ground level. All right? Most opportunities people already know about. A lot of investments already been made, but this is a ground level opportunity before it even hits the stock market. Okay? It's not regular stock type of investment. It's common stock. There's a difference. Okay? Now, do remember, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I giving you financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. If you do invest in this company, the wealth builders don't have any liability. Okay? And if you want to learn more about this investment opportunity, click the link in the description. Okay? Also, if you're interested in learning how to help companies like this get business funding, check the link in the description also. Until next time, wealth builders, it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke, signing off for Liquidpiston investment opportunity, the little engine that could. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm shooting